Hi guys, today we are making an apple pie green smoothie, and we're going to show you how to use it in the Vitamix Ascent blender, which is the top of the line smart system Vitamix.
I'm excited to see how much better it is than my baseline Vitamix from 10 years ago.
Yeah, I mean, they've made some improvements in the last 10 years.
I would think.
Yeah. So, and I love this, I kind of love this thing. I just started like really using it a lot, so I'm excited to share it with you. All right, so I'm going to use the little power button, which is over here on the side, just to turn it on, because it will light up in this like LED kind of display over here.
Oh, that is cool.
And so they do have 5 automatic settings on this one.
Oh, wow.
And it's all touch screen.
Oh, nice.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, and then you also have a timer. So you have a digital timer, and there's also a programmable timer. So those are kind of some of the big features I would say about this one. They do have self-detect jars, so it knows like which jar's on it.
Oh, wow.
It won't work properly if the jar's not on. Yeah.
That's great.
Yes, it's
that would have
a little
saved me a few times. Yes,
a little safer.
Mishaps in the kitchen.
All right, so we're gonna get started. So we're making a dairy-free one, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna be using
Pumpkin Spice Shakeology.
Yes, I'm excited to try that.
Beachbody has great Shakeology flavors, but this is seasonal. It's pumpkin spice. They have, it's just plant-based superfood nutrition shake.
Awesome.
I love it.
So this is an apple pie smoothie that I love. It's very simple to make. I've had it 3 times in the last week, just because it's like so delicious and really easy, and most people have these ingredients at home.
Yeah.
You know, it's just very simple.
I didn't even plan it.
I know.
I happened to have
I forgot a banana, and she already had a frozen banana, which is perfect because, you know, you can add ice, of course, but it's really banana. We're gonna add some dates, an apple, any kind of apple.
Oh, yum.
Walnuts for those healthy fats, great for the brain. Any kind of milk substitute. I like oat milk. Just
I like almond milk.
Like, but you know, it's like we want it to be dairy-free and
extra fiber.
There's fiber in it, which is what I need to give to my daughter Dakota, because she's very picky and doesn't like to eat fruits and vegetables. So
yes, I think I remember that. She wanted candy for breakfast, and then also cookies.
Yes,
and then also the trail mix. She picks out the chocolates, which is good. I like her.
She has my husband's sweet tooth. So, but yeah, I'm always trying to make popsicles for her. I make these superfood popsicles. So this will turn into a popsicle. She'll eat it.
Yeah, fabulous.
And then we're going to be adding your collagen,
Beachbody collagen,
which is amazing for hair, skin, and nails.
Yeah.
And then so we're turning it kind of into a pumpkin spice apple pie smoothie.
This will be like an apple pie pumpkin cupcake smoothie.
Yeah.
It's just like double your pleasure.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to cut up this apple. If you want to add some Shakeology.
And these are really nice because they're just single serving packets. You can get a big bag too, but
I like single serving.
Yeah, because then it's just easy to put in.
I tend to like take them on the go, but if I have that big one,
you can't
before. It's so big.
It's hard to convert to take
right.
Yeah. They make all their flavors in one-offs, but since I've been quarantining at home, I just usually have the big bags.
And so
you just need one?
Yes. And for apples, you do want to core apples because there is a little small amount of arsenic in the seeds.
Is that right?
So it's, it's like I don't really want to put arsenic in my body knowingly.
No, or your child's body, either or.
So definitely core your apples. Most of the time, seeds are really good for you.
That's right. Yeah,
a lot of nutrition.
Like I know you were the one who told me also when you do strawberries, you could put the tops in and everything.
If it's organic.
If it's organic,
because there is chlorophyll in there. So we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, and you can do that to your liking, but I kind of usually just put a couple.
I love cinnamon.
Me too. You can always add more later if you want.
Yeah.
Same with it, and I'll put the recipe in the description, but I usually just kind of eyeball. Fourth of a cup. It depends how much calories I'm kind of looking for. If this is a meal replacement smoothie, I'm definitely gonna add a little bit more the healthy fats.
I'm a huge fan of the healthy fats.
And this is a meal replacement smoothie for sure. Now that we have protein powder and collagen, just for a little bit of added sweetness, I've got some pitted dates. I'm just gonna put one in there. We can always add one later.
Yeah. I also have a date when I make almond milk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so good.
Definitely. Some banana. And then we need some greens.
Oh, greens. I have spinach. That's usually the most benign
Spinach is good. Yeah, spinach is mild flavored, but you could use kale. You could use
I have a
bok choy.
Arugula is a little bitter.
A little bitter. Yeah.
Let's try some spinach in there. I add tons usually because I don't ever taste it.
Yes.
Which is
why not? Let's add some more. If you're new to green smoothies, a little less. If you're used to them, I would say a little bit more. All right, we are going to put on our lid.
It looks so pretty.
You can see how the Smart System has a clear lid. So it's not like the rubber lid like yours.
Yeah,
so
mine's the old school.
you have the old school, classic series, and you see the kind of different lid.
Yeah, very old school.
Yeah, well, it's 10 years old. You might be ready for an upgrade.
I might be, yes. If Vitamix is listening, you must send me
You'd
one.
probably also, like, if you resold it,
Oh,
you'd
yeah.
probably get a good amount for it on. Like,
It still works amazingly.
Yeah.
We replaced the, I once accidentally put it in the dishwasher and they replaced the thing.
Yeah, the old ones, the classic,
not
most
meant to
of them are not allowed in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
The
But
Smart
this is?
System's dishwasher. So
Oh, that's great.
that's kind of a big deal for a lot of
Huge
people.
deal, especially if you have kids that you're making it for. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to use the smoothie button. So I'll just show you, press it here, right? And then you just hit start. So you saw the smoothie setting was like 50 seconds. So if you did the soup setting, I think it's like 5 minutes. So that's when it's gonna make it hot and steam's coming out. So this has the little like pressure release lid, which lets out the steam. There's so you aren't gonna burn yourself.
Even my old one has that.
Or if you're making soup, you could use the new Vitamix immersion blender.
Yeah, that's right.
That just came out. So we're gonna put this in our beautiful glasses.
Yes, it's a fancy
Enjoy.
dessert treat.
Fancy.
And this is great because during the holidays, my sweet tooth really kicks in. I'm like Dakota, right? So like I love. Ooh, look how thick with no ice or anything.
Well, we did have a frozen banana.
Frozen banana. Yep.
If no frozen banana, then you probably want to add a little bit of ice just to make it nice and cold. Ooh, that looks so good.
It does. I love the consistency. I love a thick shake.
Me too. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. I smell the pumpkin
It smells
spice.
so good, right?
And so I've only done this without the pumpkin spice. I do use collagen.
Vanilla or-
So I'm excited to try the little apple pumpkin spice.
Let's see.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy holidays.
Yes.
Ooh, oh my God, that is,
Wow.
that is really good.
really good.
That is like a delicious fall explosion in my mouth. I love it.
If you like pumpkin spice everything and you're into that, you're going to love this.
I'm telling you, this flavored Shakeology is so good. And the apple and cinnamon in there.
And I think it's only available in
Only
the
during fall.
right?
And then in winter, they have peppermint mocha. So we'll have to get that together and do some fun chocolate peppermint recipes.
A hot recipe.
Ooh, yeah, put it on the soup setting.
Yeah.
It's so good. Happy blending, everyone. Isn't that how we say?
Yes, happy blending.
From the blender, babes.
If you guys liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more healthy living recipes and tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time. Happy blending.